Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Guye and you're watching Guye B TV. So today we are trying the Rihanna Body Lava, the new collection that came out with the Body Lava, the Palm and whatnot. I drove an hour away to get this because our Sephora in Lincoln did not have it yet. Their shipment was delayed, but it'll be here sometime this week. So before we get started, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and share this video. Also, before we get started with this collection, just know that I am going to be doing a giveaway of this collection with all products. Right now I don't have all of them, I have 3 out of 4, and I'll be giving those away at the end of the month. The rules to this is to make sure that you are subscribed to me and make sure you are sharing this video on all your social media throughout the week until the last day of the month, and make sure you guys are sending me screenshots or like DMs showing me that you are sharing it every day on all your social media platforms, and the person that shares it the most will win their own collection of it. So I'm gonna personally buy it for you, ship it off to you, and all that jazz. So that's that. Let's get started. I already tried some of it on. I applied some of it on my highlight, even though I already had highlight. So I like it. Like, it looks so good. The first product, let's just talk about prices first. You guys, I recorded this video and it wasn't recording. So I was just talking to air and it was the struggle. The first thing I got was the Body Lava Luminizer, and it was $59. Then I got the Face Body Brush, and that was $34. And then I got the Fairy Balm Pom Pom, and that was $42. And I just bought like a Smashbox photo finish primer, so that doesn't even count in this. But yeah, so let's start with packaging. I will show you guys what the packages look like. So the first package for the Body Lava Luminizer is this. It's just super cute and pink. I really like this scheme that Rihanna did with these. It's just super cute and super girly and so like perfect for the spring and summer, especially with all this melanin I'm ready to share. Next thing I got was the Balm Pom Pom, and it's Rosé on Ice. Ooh, it's a little sexy. That looks like that, and that'll stay in there. And I got the brush, which also came in a smaller box. So that is that. And it looks like this. So like I said, I was already trying some on since I already recorded this video and it wasn't recording, so I had to do it again. But I'm going to show you guys anyways. So the Java Body Luminizer, I'm going to show you guys on this hand since I already did it on the other. So if you guys, let's see. Okay, are we ready? This stuff smells so good. Like, aside from being so creamy and so gold, it smells so good. Like, look at that. Oh my gosh, y'all, and imagine that on like your skin while you're at the beach or the lake. I want to show you guys without the brush first. Like, it's amazing. Smells good. Feels like cocoa butter, like really soft cocoa butter. So, you know, you can be a thirst trap or whatever. This is what we're doing this summer. We're thirst trapping and not giving attention, honestly. It's so, it smells so good. Oh my god. Rihanna, you can take all my coins, take my savings, take my tax withheld. I don't care. Take it. Take it. And, yeah, I'm obsessed already. So I will show you guys a demonstration on, let's see, this side of it with the brush. So we're going to take it. Oh my gosh, having it focus is so insane. Ready? And I'm just gonna squirt it once because struggle is real. So I'm gonna zoom in to my shoulder a little bit so you guys could see. So y'all could see. if it's, you guys can already see, like, I already have some, but we're gonna do this shoulder specifically. Oh my god. Woo! Y'all, this could be some stuff this summer, just know. Just know. Fuck around and go to work with this on just to be glowy. Like, look at that. Shining, 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 yeah. Yes! I'm so obsessed. Woo! I'm gonna go out tomorrow and I'm just gonna like act out, to be honest. Okay, and then, so in the collection there's two of these. There's Who Needs Clothes and can't remember the second one, but they're both body lavas, but I knew I wanted the other one because it was more like bronze, and I know on chocolate skin it's gonna be so bomb. Oh my gosh. And so I'm gonna go get that once it gets into our store, since the other store that I went to didn't have it. We'll go into this again. And at first, like the first video I made, I thought it like came apart, but it doesn't. So this in itself is like just a glitter bomb thing. So I'm gonna like put that on my face because I just want to be glittery. Let's see if it'll. Ooh! You guys can't see it, but like, I'm telling you, let me see. Zoom in. Y'all see it? I'm trying to show y'all something. Like, look at that. Look at that. I'm flawless. You wait, and I once again I put it on like on top of my highlight, and look at how it stays so much more like glittery. It's lit. It is lit. Guess I'll give you guys some final points before I go and play with it some more, because I am, you guys look at this. Oh my god. Ah! I am feeling so pretty and so glittery. Is it worth it? Yes. If you have the coins, go get it, because it's almost sundress season and I am ready. I haven't bought any sundresses yet, but I will. But sundresses plus glitter. Like, y'all, two things men love in the summer is glitter and sundresses. So why can't we give them both? And start with these. Fellas, if you watch this, like, get your girl some of this. If you want to see her glistening, showing that melanin. If you're not melanin, just showing off that skin or getting that tan or whatever, like, get you some of this. Like I said, I'm gonna go buy another one for myself, and then the giveaway winner will get both of these and everything else that I showed today as well. So that is it. That is my review. I can't help but I just love Fenty anything. But yeah, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you guys have something else you guys want me to do a review on, make sure you let me know in the comments below. And like I said, share this video and give it a thumbs up, leave comments, and we will have a winner by the end of the month, and they will have their own collection of all this. Oh my god, look at this. Ah! Okay, I'm done. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. Until next time, bye. Yeah, I just hit everything. Peace.